Increasing your productivity as an entrepreneur and eliminating procrastination that creeps in begins with a clear sense of purpose, a commitment to achieve specific, real, tangible goals that you have set for yourself. You see, oftentimes this procrastination thing is really simply a byproduct of a lack of clarity. If things are unclear, if you're uncertain about what it is specifically that you want to accomplish, if you're not focused day in and day out as an entrepreneur on real, tangible targets, then procrastination acts as a shield. In essence, it's a shield that gets triggered by the subconscious as a way to protect you from the dark things that are unknown, the things that are murky, the things that are unclear. Your subconscious, through this shield of procrastination, looks at a situation, one that you're procrastinating on, and recognizes that there is no clarity there, and says, wow, this looks a little bit shady. It looks a little bit foreign, a little bit unknown. I better avoid it altogether. This leads then naturally to a little bit of work. In order to move fluidly throughout your day, you're going to have to spend some time getting clear on your goals and the purpose of those goals. And only once you've done that, then you can go about designing exactly how you want each and every single day to look. And I am in the middle of creating a full-blown NLP goal-setting course. Yet I realize that you want to jump into productivity hacks. You want to spend time setting major goals outside of this particular program. That said, this stuff is really, really important. So let's spend a little bit of time developing a sense of purpose by setting clear, specific, actionable goals. And to do that, we're going to use a SMART goal setting strategy. This is the same exact SMART goaling strategy that I teach in my public NLP seminars. So let's go ahead into the next lecture and examine the SMART goal setting system